Hello everyone, I am Tejaswini from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I am from Data Science Department studying in first SEM. Today my topic is all about implementations of smart technologies in waste management. Let us know what is waste management. Waste management shall mean the collection, transport, recovery and disposal of waste, including the supervision of such operation and aftercare of disposal sites. However, the newer concepts of waste management talk about reduce, reuse and recycle of waste over the above waste disposal. So these are all the sources of waste which are segregated according to their color. For example, grey with glass, dark blue with the other waste, sky blue with the metal waste, plastic with the yellow, and orange with the food waste, dark pink with yard waste. So according to their color, the sources of waste has been segregated. So before getting to know innovative approach for the smart waste management, firstly let us know easy ways to reduce the waste. Understand this, easy ways to reduce the waste. Use a reusable bottles or cups. Use reusable grocery bags and not just for groceries. Purchase wisely and recycle. Composite. Avoid single-use food and drink containers and utensils. Shop local farmer markets and buy in bulk to reduce packaging. Curb your use of paper, mail, receipts, magazines. Let us know the definition of smart technology in waste management. Smart waste management is an innovative approach to handling and collecting waste based on the today's technology. That means by using the present technology and by the present generation's technology, how we can reuse, reduce or how we can smartly use the waste which is being segregated every day everywhere. So these are all the types which I got collected: smart bins, IoT based platforms, recycling apps, 3D printing, solar powered trash, AI recycling robots. One by one, let us know what is all this. Smart bin. Smart bin is the new high technology that integrated waste containers with smart sensors which allow you to track through the waste management processes. For example, with the smart waste bin system, you can control the occupancy ratio of your smart waste bins. Use sensors and other technologies to improve the efficiency and cost effectiveness of waste collection, minimizing unnecessary trips and fuel consumptions. This is all about, for example, in the waste bin, when we install sensors and all, we can easily get to know whether the bin is filled or not. We can check easily by the sensors, and we can reduce the fuel consumption to check whether the bin is filled or not, like that. Next is recycling apps. Sorting through contaminated waste is one of the biggest challenge for recycling centers. In an effort to limit unrecyclable materials entering these centers, organizations have released apps like Recycle Nation and iRecycle that make recycling easier for individuals. These apps provide users with information on recycling rates and center locations, and their comprehensive lists of materials help users determine which items can be recycled. By these type of apps like Recycle Nation and iRecycle, we can easily sense whether the product or the waste is reusable or not, whether it is usable or not, whether it eligible for the recycle or not. This is 3D printing. This seems somewhat interesting. 3D printing can be used to repurpose e-waste materials into new product. E-waste materials is nothing but electronic waste materials. So by this process we can easily reuse whether not reuse the materials like smartphones, smartwatches, Bluetooth, Android TVs, televisions and etc. by this 3D printing method. Next is solar powered trash compactors. In an effort to increase collection efficiency and reduce trips to and from the dump, manufacturer Cube Labs created a solar powered trash compactor that can hold up to 5 times more than the traditional trash bins. These machines compress trash as it accumulates to increase bin capacity, and they collect and transmit data on fill and collection items to help streamline the collection process. This is about AI recycling robots. Recycling centers play a crucial role in reducing the amount of trash that ends up in landfills and waterways each year. However, a reduced workforce during the COVID 19 pandemic times has left many centers struggling to keep up with the demand. Fortunately, recycling robots powered by artificial intelligence can help pick up some of the slack. So, this is source of innovation. The future of solid waste management is digital. We can see that last bin above for the plastic and these first two bins for the glass. In future, we can see the source of innovation which can be separated for the waste and which can be easily managed and recyclable. By this type of bins, we can easily recycle and the work for them will definitely gets reduced if India includes this type of bins. So in future they mentioned here, let us see what happens in a future. This is a machine in a factory which is segregating all types of waste, where the vast amount of waste has been dumped here. You can easily see the iron, metals, etc., like plastic and everything. These machines can easily segregate the waste and which can be easily recyclable. So yeah, these are all the factories like this. These are all the machines. It is also an innovative approach. Here we can see glass, metal, paper and plastic, and that machines is segregating one by one which has to be put in which bin. So yeah, like this also the wastes are going to manage in the factories. So this is also one of the innovative approach. Those are all the machines or robots which can be easily segregated. Mm, Next is one more slide for the smart waste management. So yeah, this is also a factory. These are all the source and types of innovations which we can see in a future and present also. I think so. These types of factories are present. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you.